Getting inflow with Inflow Market. Subscribe and get reminders on YouTube. Find us on Patreon, Twitter, Google and Apple App Stores. The top gainer of the day is BNTC Biopharma Inc., a development stage biotechnology company. Focuses on the development of novel genetic medicines. The company develops DNA-directed RNA interference-based therapeutics for chronic and life-threatening human conditions. It is developing BB301, an adeno-associated virus-based gene therapy agent for treating oculopharyngeal muscular dystrophy, and BB103 for the treatment of chronic hepatitis B virus infection. The company was incorporated in 1995 and is headquartered in Hayward, California. BNTC does have options available. Here are upcoming expirations with the highest volume. Stock price forecast according to 2 stock analysts. The average 12-month stock price forecast for BNTC stock is $4, which predicts an increase of 1,004.67%. On average, analysts rate BNTC stock as a strong buy. Short data and information for BNTC is incomplete. BNTC has 27.98 million shares outstanding. The number of shares has increased by 242.42% in 1 year. The company has $4.40 million in cash and $415,968 in debt, giving a net cash position of $3.98 million or 14 cents per share. The last earnings date was Monday, May 15, 2023, before market open. Recent news for BNTC. BNTC Biopharma receives FDA clearance of the IND for BB301 for the treatment of oculopharyngeal muscular dystrophy. Here are some of the recent online conversations, shown below. The top loser of the day is Avalo Therapeutics, Inc., a clinical stage precision medicine company. Discovers, develops, and commercializes targeted therapeutics for patients with unmet clinical need in immunology, immuno-oncology, and rare genetic diseases. It develops AVTX-002, a fully human anti-light monoclonal antibody, which is under Phase 2 clinical trial for the treatment of non-eosinophilic asthma, as well as inflammatory bowel disease, including moderate to severe Crohn's disease, and ulcerative colitis, and Phase 3 clinical trial for the treatment of COVID-19 acute respiratory distress syndrome. The company also engages in developing AVTX-007, a fully human anti-IL-18 monoclonal antibody that is under Phase 1 clinical trial for the treatment of Still's disease, including adult-onset Still's disease and systemic juvenile idiopathic arthritis. Its products for rare genetic diseases in Phase 3 clinical trials include AVTX-801, a D-galactose substrate replacement therapy for the treatment of phosphoglucomutase 1 deficiency, PGM1, also known as PGM1-CDG, and AVTX-803, Al-fucose substrate replacement therapy for the treatment of LADII, also known as SLC35C1-CDG. The company was formerly known as Cerecor Inc., and changed its name to Avalo Therapeutics, Inc. In August 2021, Avalo Therapeutics, Inc. was incorporated in 2011 and is headquartered in Rockville, Maryland. AVTX does have options available. Here are upcoming expirations with the highest volume. Stock price forecast according to 2 stock analysts. The average 12-month stock price forecast for AVTX stock is $6, which predicts an increase of 833.56%. The lowest target is 3.00 and the highest is 9.00. On average, analysts rate AVTX stock as a hold. The latest short interest is 42,559, so 0.32% of the outstanding shares have been sold short. AVTX has 13.20 million shares outstanding. The number of shares has increased by 40.44% in 1 year. The company has $16.75 million in cash and $19.77 million in debt, giving a net cash position of $3.02 million or 23 cents per share. The next estimated earnings date is Thursday, August 3, 2023, before market open. Recent news for AVTX. Avalo announces top-line data from Phase 2 peak trial for AVTX-002. Quizartinib in patients with non-eosinophilic asthma. Here are some of the recent online conversations, shown below. Comment below on your favorite stocks, bulls and bears. Get inflow with Inflow Market.